Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide friends on Facebook. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. We go to Facebook. Open your profile in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner settings and privacy, then open the search box. And in the search we write Fry. Then we need to open this bottom question. And here it says that you want to hide your friends on Facebook so that they are not visible. You click here, where I have written public. And here we can choose either friends or friends except, or only me or public. If you want to hide them so that no one can see your Facebook friends, you click only me, and only you can see them. Other people will not see them. Exit, and then your settings are saved automatically. That's how easy it is to hide friends on Facebook. If you liked this video, write in the comments whether my solution helped you. Did it work? Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.